of the things that I always hate is when I have a strategy that I test and I dismiss and I put it away for a few years and then I come back and realize how well it's done. I have a lot of strategies, so sometimes it's hard to track them all. And tick count trend is one of our strategies that we've had and we use and we really like. And I had created tick count trend 2, which is a more counter trend version of tick count trend, and I dismissed it. I didn't release this strategy. It's not on my website. And so here is a screenshot. One of the reasons why this average trade profit is pretty low. And so it's always hard to make profits on this. But if you look at the equity curve, there are certainly time periods when this does really well and the average trade profit is very high, or high enough to be profitable after slippage and commission. So in such a counter trend market environment, should have taken a closer look at this, as it's done well in the E-mini S&P and the E-mini NASDAQ. And we can zoom in on these time frames to see how well it's done this year. And I'm going to change the chart settings to just 2016 on this. You can already see I have it over here on the NASDAQ. $45 average trade profit, 1135 drawdown, 5505 total net profit. And here is an equity curve. And you see some of the recent trades. It's more active. The NASDAQ has been more wiggly, if you could say that, and so it's more profitable than in the short term, in the last couple of days, than the E-mini S&P. It's been straight line up. Don't short a dull market is one of the themes right now, and we don't have a lot of activity. You open up and just this sideways movement, and you're near highs, and so it tells you that the market's going higher. It can be a signal. And so that's what's happened today, and our tick pulse captured that. I'm going to show you the first. I'm going to show you the narrow window on tick count trend 2, and then I'm going to show you tick pulse trades. So just in 2016, here are the results: $3,500 average trade or total net profit, $79.05, average trade profit, $1,300 drawdown. Here's the equity curve, very selective, not a lot of trades, 44 trades. Could be modified to take more trades. Potentially profit factor is 2, and there's so many ways to do that, so many ways to analyze this. Sometimes I have more ideas than time to test, including my money management algorithms. How would that capture those straight line equity curves, etc. I'll take a look at tick pulse. It's one of our top recommendations if you can trade only one system is tick pulse. You see yesterday's profit was 212.50. Scroll back here, it's hitting these long trades and just not a lot of range, so it didn't capture a big profit. It just got out. We exit at 1600 or 4 o'clock Eastern time, and it just didn't move. But today it did. We captured the move up, strong move higher. You might have been tempted to short it at this point, but tick pulse went long. The market was traded below the entry, and it's traded above the profit target. And so if you're one of those that likes to hold for a limit order fill, you're able to capture those on both the entry and the exit on this trade. And plus 575 hit its profit target. So if you're looking for one strategy to trade, this is it. It's in the portfolio. Recommend the portfolios, but if you can only trade one, tick pulse is it. And if you have tick count trend and you want the tick count trend 2 code, shoot me an email and I'll send that to you.